the petition by the SIT challenging H.D. Revanna's bail also begins in the Karnataka High Court. So this is Prajwal Revanna's father, H.D. Revanna. Now the SIT is calling the bail unjustified. Deepak, as we were mentioning, it's trouble for the entire family. Prajwal Revanna has been arrested. Now the questioning of Bhavani Revanna will begin. Meanwhile, hearing currently underway of H.D. Revanna on the petition by the SIT challenging his bail plea.
Yes, there are 3 FIRs against Prajwal Revanna. There are 2 FIRs against H.D. Revanna. The first case that was filed in Hassan, talks of both the father and the son harassing, sexually assaulting women. Then came another case. This was a case pertaining to kidnap of one of the victims, in which H.D. Revanna is accused number 1. There was another individual, Satish Babu. What happened there, to just remind our viewers, was that an individual named Satish allegedly picked up this woman, kidnapped her, and for several days, of course, she was missing, and eventually the son went ahead and filed this FIR. After which the case was registered. We saw Satish being arrested initially, and then Mr. Revanna being arrested, and then he was produced before the court, didn't get any relief, was taken into custody, questioned, eventually was sent to judicial custody, and finally managed bail. But the SIT feels that that bail was unjustified. That's the reason now you have the Special Public Prosecutor Ravi Verma there arguing in the High Court before the single judge, saying that he shouldn't be given bail. He's a man who could influence witnesses. He's a man who is in a position of power. They're citing the strong charges against him, and they will be hoping that the verdict of the lower court granting him bail will be overturned by the High Court. In just a while from now, we'll get an update as to what the High Court really believes in this